So you want to make $100 in the next 24 hours with 100% free method, and also you want to make $100 per day while sleeping on your bed. So if you want all of these things, then make sure to watch this video till the end, because I will be sharing with you easy step-by-step process to make all this happen. So now let's jump into the. So now let me first of all tell you, maybe you are aware of this method, but I'm going to share with you some of the golden nuggets that can really help you to make a lot more money than you are making. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So now we are going to go with the first step. The first step is actually head over to our website called munchai.com. And on the Munchai, when you are going to go down below, you are going to see big launches. Actually, these are the new products which are going to be launched in the near future. So that means there will be no review video of this product on the YouTube. So that whenever the people are going to buy any product, they are going to either go on Google and on the YouTube to search for the review of that product. So in the same case, when we are going to create a review, the people who are interested in buying this product are going to come on YouTube and they're going to start looking for the review of that product because they really want to buy that product. That means the views are, the people who are going to watch the video, they are much more targeted than other people because they really want to buy those products. Okay, so for example, this product right over here, the tab engage, whatever it is, yeah, it's tab engage review. So when we are going to just go with this product, let's say, so the first step is go to Munchai. Second step is find a product in the big launch. So let's say I'm going to pick this product, tab engage. Now comes the third step. The third step is actually just getting the link and the review copy of the product. So now in order to do that, first of all, we are going to head over to the JV page where we can get the affiliate link and the product information. So let's see on this page. So as you can see, there are also $3,000 worth of bonuses, etc, etc. So what we are going to do over now, we are going to first of all grab the link of the product. So as you can see, there are two steps. One is join the notification list, and you can easily get the link of the product on JVZoo. So when you are going to grab the link, so this way you will be able to easily grab the link. So now it's the time to grab the review copy, because there are only two ways to create the review of the product. One way, if the product creator is going to give you the review unit, you can simply just talk about the product by recording your screen. That's all you can do. And also there is a second way. If the product creator is telling you that I'm not going to give you the review copy, you can simply head over to the sales page. You can check out the sales page by clicking over here, or generally you may also find the sales page over here, but it's not given in this case over here. Either you can simply record this sales page and can review the product. Okay, so now what you can do in order to get the review copy, you are going to scroll down all the way down to the bottom of the JV page, and you are going to reach out to these guys. You can find their FB account and also their Skype. So this is the affiliate manager. First of all, you are going to reach out to this guy, okay, Neil. So you are going to simply tell him that if you have following anywhere on the internet, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, Google, whatever it is, I don't care, but if you have anywhere, you can simply tell this guy that I do have this much following over there. If you can help me to get the review copy, I will surely create a good review for you guys. You can simply tell this guy. But in case if this guy is not going to give you the review copy, you can contact this guy. But if this guy is also going to refuse, you are going to simply just create a review by recording the screen of the sales page. That's all you can do. Okay, but 90% of the marketers will get ready when you are going to tell them, hey, I'll create the review video. And even if you don't have any following, tell them that I will create a review video, I will do launch jacking, I'm also giving bonuses, so please give me a review unit. So 90% of the marketers are going to give you the review unit. So the third step is actually also done. We have gotten the link as well. You can log in and can request the link. And after you have gotten the link, it's the time to create the review product, a review video. So as I told you, there are two ways. You can record the screen of the sales page, or you can simply just review the product. So now we are also done with the fourth step of creating the video. Okay, so now it's the time to upload the video on the YouTube. So if you want to rank, you can simply just use the 2-3 tags like product name, product review, and the founder of this product like Vipul Garg product, tab engage, etc, etc. There are only 5 to 10 review. Okay, so now what you are going to do, the fourth step is also completed, okay, of creating the video and uploading it. So now it's the time that we are going to be go farther than these guys. Okay, now before you are going to create the video, there is one more step left. The step is actually of the bonuses. This is where you are going to get over the edge of all these people, because a lot of people are already having the review. But let me tell you one thing about this. Just look at this. Everyone has created the review video one day ago, 5 hours, one day, 13 hours, 1 week ago, and 6 hours, 5 hours ago, 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago. 90% of the marketers has done the 99% of the marketers has done the video about 1 day ago. So what you are going to do, you need to create the video 1 week ago before the product is even launching. Or if you cannot find the product in those days, or then you can simply create a review 3 days ago. That way your video will be on the top, and nobody will be able to bring you down, because the people will be searching about the product. They will be viewing watching only your video, because they can only see your video. So you will started getting views, and you started getting watch time, and your video will start ranking over here. And then what you can do, on the day of the product launch, you are again going to create a review video and upload it. So that way you will be having 2 videos, and you will be getting over the edge benefit of this stuff. Now what do you need to do with the review, I mean the bonuses? Okay, so as you can see, every guy over here is giving you bonuses. Okay, so you can see, let's just see what kind of the bonuses is this guy giving. Okay, you can also do one thing, you can copy their tags, but there is nothing crazy thing about tag in this case. Okay, because there are only specific, like product name plus review, etc, etc. There is nothing crazy. Okay, you can see review bonuses, demo, etc, etc. There is nothing crazy. Okay, so now let's see what kind of the bonuses is this guy giving, and I'm going to tell you what 90% of the marketers are missing. So as we are going to see that what this guy is giving in bonuses, first of all, this guy is giving a tool is like tab engage. So this guy is going to give a tool similar to this product. So I mean the better version, but kind of similar. And then he is giving another thing over here. Okay, so this is okay, so he's giving the the freebies, like ebooks, courses, etc, to give to your lead magnets as your lead magnet. And then he will give you traffic sources. Then he will give you how to convert subscribers into 12, etc, etc. Okay, so free choice pick. So one thing that I always that I have seen a lot of the times is this, that people are just crazy. They don't give the bonuses related to the product. For example, let's say this product is going to teach you how to create the videos. So then people will be just giving the crazy bonuses that have no relation with creating videos. That's the biggest mistake that people are doing. So let's say this product is of creating the videos. So now what kind of bonuses do you need to give? First of all, you can simply tell them about the flaws of the product. For example, this product is only going to teach you how to create videos, but not how to make money from it. So then you can simply create a course on teaching how to make money with videos by uploading them to YouTube, how to make money with the videos by uploading them to Instagram, how to make money with videos by selling them to clients, how to get 10 clients a day, etc, etc, how to make better videos. So that's the one thing, you need to create the bonuses related to the product, and it will push you over the edge, and the people will start coming you, because they are buying this product because they are in need of this kind of product. And if they can get extra help, it's like you should upgrade the product with your bonuses. Okay, so when you are going to give these kind of bonuses, you will push yourself over the edge, and people will start buying from you. So that's one thing, main thing that you need to do. You need to give the related bonus, not any bonuses that are going to come into your hand. You have to give the bonus that have relation to the product, as I already told you. So when you are going to do this, there are lots of reviews. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of reviews of lots of products every single day launching on the Manchai, you can see. Okay, so there are lots of products. So when you will be just simply keep on promoting these products every 2-3 days, in the July, let's say in August, how many products are there? 2, 4, 8, 10, 11, 12. So there are about 12, 13, 13 products. So that means one video in every 2 days. Okay, so you should create the review videos of all of these big launches product, because people may not be searching for these products. I have seen these videos get only 1 2 views, so that may not help you. But make sure you are going to create the review video for every product of these, and when you will be doing this, you will start getting lots and lots of views. And I mean, not lots of views like thousands of views, but enough views to start making money, because these 130 views on this video are way more powerful than 1,000 views on a video where they don't want to buy a product. But everyone who is coming to watch this video, they want to buy this product. That's the reason these views are much more powerful than the normal views. Okay, so now I do believe that you have understood, when you are going to keep on creating review videos for all of these products, you will start making $100 a day. And now if you are still not going to make $100, then I am going to share with you an easy tactic, as I promised you, how you can make $100 per day while sleeping. So you can also use that tactic. So let me show you. So let's say, so what you are going to do, actually you are going to simply just send the traffic from YouTube. Let's say this is YouTube, and you are going to drive traffic from YouTube directly, I mean directly to a page where you are going to simply start selling them something. Okay, you are going to have a review page, and on that review page you are going to simply start selling them something. So that's what you are doing, and from that page you are going to simply send them to a sales page. So what you are doing, you are actually sending the traffic from the YouTube to a review page of yours, and after that, when someone will click on this button, it will take them to the sales page. So in this case, if a visitor has gone from YouTube and he has not bought the product, then probably you will not be able to meet him ever again. Okay, he has gone forever. But what you are going to do, instead of doing this strategy, you are going to simply send them to an opt-in page. And in the case of the opt-in page, before you are going to send it from the YouTube, but instead of sending them directly to a review page, to this page, you are going to send them to an opt-in page, where you are going to have something, you are going to send them to an opt-in page. Okay, and from the YouTube, you are going to simply send them to a page where you are going to collect their email address, and after that you are going to send them to a review page. And that's how, even if this guy who is going to give you his email address, he has not bought, still you can simply email him again and again and can tell him, hey, you should buy this product, hey, you must check out this product right now. And even you don't have to, in the future, when you are going to do the reviews of other product like this product, and all other product, you can simply start emailing these people and can tell them, hey, you want to buy a new product, just check out my new review right here, you have to check out, it's going to be crazy. So that's what, when you are going to do this, it is going to help you to make a lot more money, because this is going to be your own email list. And do you know, you can easily make $1 per month for every email you are going to collect. That means if you can collect 1,000 people, you will be making $1,000 at least per month. Okay, you might be thinking how you are going to make money while sleeping by doing this method. So look at this. Once you are going to create review videos, the review video will be here on the YouTube for lifetime. Whenever you are sleeping, even if you are sleeping, bathing, or doing anything, people are just watching your videos. And they are just clicking the link, they are giving you their email address, they are going to your review page, and some of them ended up buying the product. So that's what happening. But what if because you are sleeping, then still you are making money. And even if you are going to collect their email address and you are going to send them email, okay, you are going to shoot an email, then also again you are going to make money when you are sleeping, because when you are sleeping, people are opening your emails, they are going to check out your review, they are going to buy the products from you. So that's how you are going to make money while sleeping. And especially, you don't have to just send them to these product review videos. You can create the review of like ClickFunnels and any other product, even another than these products. And it will also help you to get more and more watch time on your YouTube videos. So it's not going to just help you to make money with launch tracking, but you will be building an whole email business on the side. And that's how you are going to get the over edge, and you will be making money from YouTube, from your email list, while you are sleeping. All you need to do, shoot an email, go to sleep, wake up, and you will see, open your commission, you'll see, you will be shocked for some time, because in the beginning you will see what happened. I got the commission while I was sleeping. So that's why I am telling you that this is going to be the really crazy method. Just start collecting the email address, start building an email list. This is way more powerful. So I do believe that this video has helped you, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this, and I'll see you in the another video.